Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well. I decided to do this look today. If you are interested, stay with me while I do my makeup, and I hope you guys would enjoy this. My base is already prepped and my eyebrows are done. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 medium. Once I'm done blending the concealer, I'm starting off with the eye. For the base, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 20, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette Red Alert today. So I've done my crease with two colors, a plum and a magenta, and then I've cut my crease and I'm using a bright pink color on the lid, and then I'm redoing my crease to add more depth, and then blending the dark plum color with the bright pink crease color to make it seamless. And then I'm using a gold shadow in the middle of my lid to add some shine and dimension. I felt like using the Lakme Insta Liner in gold today, and then I'm adding a black eyeliner on the lash line, and then using some mascara and finishing off my lower lash line. Then dusting off all the fallouts with the loose powder, and now I'll do the same thing on the other eye and be right back. I'm back and now I'm contouring, adding some blush and highlighting my cheekbones. For highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette. I'm using a very cool pink toned highlighter, which is really pretty. And then I highlighted my nose and chin too, and then contoured my nose a little, and then added highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone to bring the look together. Finally, to lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa lipstick by Masaba in the shade Cool Guy. It's a beautiful nude and goes very well with this look. I have done a mini review on this lipstick in my channel. Please do check that out. And I'm done. This is my final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you're liking my videos, if you have watched my previous videos, and what kind of videos would you like me to do. So hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.